Hello friends, welcome to Roohi's Food Mania. Today we are making herbal tea. For herbal tea, we need sage, this is sage, cinnamon, lemon, ginger, thyme and honey. For 2 cups of tea, we need 5-6 sage leaves and this few sticks of thyme, half inch of crushed ginger and this 1-inch piece of cinnamon. Add 3 cups of water in a kettle. Now I am going to add all the ingredients in the strainer. For 2 cups of tea, we need 3 cups of water. This tea is very helpful to relieve the symptoms of cold and cough, especially viral fever.